Hey guys, welcome to our channel. We've just had some great coffee using the V60 pour over system from Hario, cooked on our Campingmoon table here. This is the solo kitchen using a Trangia-style burner, and the coffee, as always, super mellow and fruity, has really set us up for lunch now. And I've got this Campingmoon grill in stainless steel called the DO-21. We reviewed it before. We've used it for a couple of years and it came in this nice carrying case. The handle is detachable, so you can put it on the grill, take it off using the handle without it getting heated up. And so I thought it's time that we have some lunch now. We're gonna have some burgers. So let's see how this works. We're gonna pull off the kettle. Still got lots of alcohol left, and we're going to warm up the grill and take the handle off, and once it's heated up we're going to cook some nice Australian grass-fed beef burgers. Oh, I can feel the heat now. That's hot. So let's start with a little bit of butter just to see how hot that is. Now we'll add a nice grass-fed Australian burger. Australian grass-fed beef burger. Looks like we can only fit one of these on at a time. I was going to try and put two, but no, I don't think that's going to work. But one is fine. Put it right over the heat there. And we'll give it a few minutes to cook. How about a little bit of seasoning? I like to use some salt, pepper, and garlic. So we'll give it a bit of seasoning. This stuff is really good, by the way, from the Barbecue Pit Boys. SPG they call it, salt, pepper, and garlic. Grass-fed beef. That's cooking nicely on that Trangia burner. There's a little breeze today, so you can tell it's windy, but the grill is doing well. We're cooking a nice hamburger here. Oh yeah, it's doing well despite the winds. There's lots of heat coming off that grill. And yet we're cooking it safely on a glass table because of this nice little table, the Solo Kitchen from Campingmoon. So just like the grill itself, this is stainless steel, so it's very hygienic and allows you to cook things like a commercial kitchen would in steel. So I'm going to pull that one and we'll put it on a plate and start the second burger. That smells really good. Time to enjoy a tasty burger now. Carnivore lunch. Look at that. Wow. Super done. Grass-fed beef. You can't beat it. Very, very tasty. Thanks for watching, guys. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.